like second and the Let It Be, she's dealing with now we're going to deal with the chorus, the two verses of the chorus. And see how we get along with that. Now, basically, the verse is the same chords as the introduction, but we'll possibly need to simplify it to be able to sing over it. So it's C, G, A minor, F, C, G, F, E minor, D minor, C, or we could play it like we played it. So it would start, when I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Okay, now that's just using the same chords. Now the first time through I played the full chords for the riff going down, or the chord sequence going down, which would be, and the second time I played it that way. So go back to the introduction video to see how I played that. So after we finished, coming back on after the second time we sing the second verse, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And that's when we get into the let it be, let it be, let it be now, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. And then you're into the verses. Okay, so the chorus will be let it be. I do that because it sounds nice. And basically I'm coming from C to C major 7, and then to the A minor. Let it be. Okay. Let it be. Let it be. F, C, whisper, whisper, G, okay, or again, okay, and that's it for the verses and the chorus.